Good morning. So I want to give you guys an update on the use of the goat milk soap that I purchased while I was in Jamaica from White Shadow.
TikTok isn't a curse unto Jamaica. Jamaicans are a curse unto themselves.
So here we go again, where black people, especially Jamaicans, blame everything around them except themselves. So let's start blame TikTok.
Nothing wrong with TikTok. We are the problem. Who know the problem? Who know? Bad mind. Mankind, bad, especially Jamaicans.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
What really a go on the island? No rain, no fall, just be a blood a shed. What really a go on the island? Young, old, innocent, guilty, are dead.
Yeah, man, blessed, love, and a pleasant good morning, man. Fire city with your advice and all I have 14 years and nice. Do give thanks to life, health, and strength, give thanks another day, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Brand new week, so we give thanks. We live for see it. Anybody who watch a blog, you know, big up on yourself, long life and prosperity, blessings in abundance upon you and your family, guidance, protection, the evil that we are cast around, you know. I beg Father God to divert them, distract them, cut it out, so cut and clear. And so, when I say, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yeah, man, so in this episode, we have Octane. We say no matter about ban TikTok. TikTok is not the problem. YouTube is not the problem. Instagram, no social media app is no problem. It's the mindset of the people, especially Jamaicans. Yes, us Jamaicans. We are very egoistical. You know what I mean? Love show up on one another and bring down one another. Who are the richest, hypest, the artists. You see me? We are the problem. You know what I'm saying? We include myself, even though I'm not that type. So me I say, yeah man, so I don't know Octane. I speak and it makes sense. Speak of myself Octane and Negus Imara. So me I said, I'm not gonna hear what them I say. But I don't know, this vlog is sponsored by White Shadow. White Shadow have a soap, goat milk soap. Very, very, very good for the skin. See me? That is something good on social media. You need to go check it out and purchase it. You see what I say? But I'm going to make a lady who went to Jamaica, American lady, and she bought it and she used it and she's giving her feedback, her testament. So what I said, so don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click bell. This vlog is sponsored by White Shadow Films. Yeah, man.
Good morning. So I want to give you guys an update on the use of the goat milk soap that I purchased while I was in Jamaica from White Shadow. So this is after 6 days of use, which I must say I was surprised at having this much left. Normal bars, I think within a week I'm going through at least 1.5 bars of normal, and I normally use Dove. So some of the things I noticed about the goat milk soap, first of all, I noticed how quick it lathers up. So it lathers up very quickly, and full lather. Like, I haven't seen a full lather in a while. Like, I sit there and I'll rub to try to get a lather. Quick lathering, so soft. So this soap is nourishing and hydrating. So you're hydrating and you're moisturizing at the same time. How do I know this? Because I'm a skincare consultant and I haven't been using as much lotion to hydrate my skin since I've been using the goat milk soap. So that is very nourishing, very, very hydrating. My husband loves the way it feels. All he can say is, it's some good thing. It's a good thing.
All right, my people, go and check it out. If you want milk for purchase, the soap, link up White Shadow 876 on Instagram. Link him directly, and you can ship it off to us. So I say link him on TikTok or Instagram. Yeah, man. So anyway, really must say TikTok forget banned, all because of Wagwan and Wagwan. Rest in peace, Naya. I discovered last night, say, my brethren, good friend of mine, first cousin, Black Kush. Rest in peace, and my condolence again. So the real small, John No Star, and his daughter. Saying, anybody know that? Well, we don't get the link already, so for him daughter. So me I said, yeah man, so here we're acting, I say.
So here we go again, where black people, especially Jamaicans, blame everything around them except themselves. So let's start blame TikTok like on blame money. See? Una always say money are the root of all evil. No. A blood-clad people, human beings are the root of all evil. If me have $100 in my pocket and I want to go down the road, see? It never tell me if I stop at the shop and buy this. And me going at the shop, go buy it, and whatever you spend your money upon that, the result you get back. Human beings are the root of all evil. So now, you have one app with name TikTok. And when you go up on the app never tell you if you run program and kill nobody. The app never tell you if you go kill one youth. The app never tell you if bring down each other. The app never tell you if you discriminate and go on like how you go on just because of money. No, you stay so from a long time. So when you get the platform now, you can bring out true colors. Now you blame the app. And I say the app for ban. Because ban blood clot self. You know, so you have people on TikTok who have positive content where I tell you about herbs. You know, if you make your life longer, what you need for tech, if you make your hair grow, if you make your fingernail grow, if you clean your capillaries, if you clean your vein, better heart function, no. Because it not come in a mix up. So it not televise the proper way and it go out the proper way. You have people on the internet who tell you about books so you have to read for broadening horizon and broadening your education. So you can be a better person or you think, no. Because what begging at the new job. So, you rather stay up on the app and bring down each other.
Yes, man, and it take the problem. We Jamaican are the problem. Money are the root of all evil, yes. But money, we can't control ourselves. When we make money from nothing to something, we start make money, we start show off on one another, bring down one another, one hype on one another. You see me, we are selling the white substance or the brown substance. You see me, I say, or the green substance. You know me, I talk already, the drugs. You see me, I say, as we start making money, we start hype, a flashy car. Why you can't do your thing undercover and move real deep and neatly? Nobody know if you know your business, you start show up yourself. Yeah, man, I'm rich. You see what I say? And start show up yourself. People start watching you, police start watching you. Boom, you get locked up, you lose everything. Get deported, whatever. You see me lose your life. You see me? So Octane say a facts. Anyway, here Negus Imara, I say no. You see me?
TikTok isn't a curse unto Jamaica. Jamaicans are a curse unto themselves. TikTok isn't the devil's playground. Some of us are just devils playing around. TikTok isn't making us act out of character. We are doing that ourselves. To say an app that 1.58 billion people use is making us do something wrong, something bad, is taking the blame away from fully functioning adults with a brain that can tell them right from wrong since they were children. And that's a part of the problem. Zero accountability. We need to address our death and drama-loving culture. There is something intrinsically wrong with the Jamaican culture at this moment. Rotten to the core. We have an insatiable appetite for blood and drama, and the consumers love it. We run some serious joke and play with our life just for money. Frog say, what is joke to you is death to me. We laugh when somebody tell another about their mother, knowing that those are fighting words. When we've seen people lose them life for less, and then we champion the badness when another man threaten a man's life in the name of entertainment. You, the consumer, have the power to dictate the content these people put out and the things that they say and do in their lives. But instead of telling them we won't gift you until this madness stop, we want to validate them foolishness by laughing and gifting them anyway. What I realize about my people is that we have a thirst for blood and war. And the streamers see this is what you like, this is what brings views, so they just give you what you want. Because unfortunately, positivity doesn't sell. Anything that includes Jamaicans and money never go good. Just for little kinds we sell out with morals, you know. I remember one time when we were once the proudest set of people on earth, when I condone certain things, money involved or not. Now look at us. When you look within the Jamaican space, the things that we find most entertaining is the constant disrespect towards one another. We love it. We love drama so much. I believe that if there's a perfect day in Jamaica where nothing goes wrong, no crime, no violence, a lot of these content creators wouldn't even know what type of content to create. And that is sad. We're never safe in the real world. And look at us now, not even safe on social media. We keep on I hear people say, make we live good on the app. But I say, let's not only try to live good on social media, let's just try to live good in general. Rest in peace, Naya.
Yes, man, and I lie, the brother I tell, and we are the problem, very toxic Jamaicans. You see me, I say, without England, without Jamaica, without America, you know, Canada, we have to hype up yourself. We can't do a thing discreetly. We can't do a thing discreetly. We can't do nothing discreetly. We have to show up on yourself. You see me, I said, and then we say, oh, Babylon not like it, white people not like it, police not like it. But we make it bad for ourselves because we abuse the system, and when we get a link and I make some money and we abuse the link, You see me? Yeah, man. When I abuse the link. I don't know what really I want to know, but people, big up on yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I mean, I sang them what really I want on the island. Just release. Good music on the TikTok, good music on Instagram, on YouTube. When you watch it, let me know what you think. Because we do good music, enough how to turn blind eye, friend and family. But we do the things, see me, because I don't know, it's not for the hype, you know, for the love. You see me? And the blessing up above. Yeah, man, I'm Lion Foot, man, I am married, man, big up on yourself. Remember, go check out White Shadow Goat Milk. See, this vlog is sponsored by White Shadow. Big up on yourself for peace and love. Bless you, have a great day. Nothing wrong with TikTok. And we are the problem. Who know the problem? Who know? Bad mind. Mankind, bad, especially Jamaicans, friends and family.
What really I want on the island? Country that things turn around.